Good morning, students. Let's start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, average. Before starting of the chapter, here are few notes that you should know about this chapter. What is average and how it is to be found? What is the formula? That all we'll discuss here. Let's start. The first we should know is what is average. The average is the number obtained by dividing the sum of given numbers by the total is called its average. What they are saying? Number obtained by dividing the sum of given numbers by the total number, we can say it is average. So accordingly the formula will become sum of numbers upon total number of numbers is equals to average. And in statistical mathematics it is also known as mean. This word is very important. Mean, median, mode will come into your future classes, so you should know mean is nothing but average. That means if you are finding average, you are finding the mean. Fine. So these were the few notes. Now let's start with the exercise. Filling the blanks. Average is also called the, we know it is mean, so answer will come here, mean. Then the formula to find the average is same formula which I taught you here, that you have to write here, that is sum of numbers upon total number of numbers. So this is the formula, sum of numbers upon total number of numbers. Now using the above formula we have to find here the average in the next question. The average of 5, 10 and 15 is, for this we have to show the calculation here and then find out the final answer, not only direct answer you are supposed to write here. Okay, so the average of 5, 10 and 15 is, so according to the formula it is sum of numbers, means these numbers are given here, so we have to sum it, add it, that is 5 plus 10 plus 15, and it is divided by total number of numbers. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. So it should be divided by 3. And if I total this numbers, it is 15, 10, 25 plus 5, 30. So 30 divided by 3 is 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30. So this is 10. The average you will get here is 10. Clear? Now the next one is the average of 7, 7, 7, 7. 4 times 7 it is. So average will be adding all the 7 together, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 time it is, so I will divide it by 4. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. Like this you can count, or you can add also 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 7 21 and 21 plus 7 is 28. So 28 divided by 4 is, 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So the answer is 7. The average of these numbers is 7. Understood? So this is are the few blanks in this exercise. Now next question is find the average of 80, 70, 60, 50 and 40. As you can notice over here is similar question was given into the blanks, but It was blank, which consists of only 1 mark, so we have not written the formula over there and we have directly done the calculation. But here it is solve the following means it will be at least of 2 marks. So here you have to first write the formula of average. So let's start. Average is equals to sum of numbers upon total number of numbers. That is equals to sum of numbers. Add all these number 80 plus 70 plus 60 plus 50 plus 40 divided by how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will divide it by 5. These calculation adding of this number you have to do in the rough column, either on the back or you can make one rough column along with the question and you can solve it there. So I'm doing it here. 80, 70, 60, 50 and 40. 0 as 0, 8 plus 7, 15, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 5, 26 and plus 4 is 30. So the answer is 300. 300 divided by 5, and we know 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So the answer will be 60. Understood? So like this you have to do in the rough column your calculation. Don't do in the middle of the question. Next is find the average of 238, 345, 109 and 176. Again you have to write down the formula. Keep in mind in every question you have to write the formula. Only in the blanks you are not supposed to write. So average is equals to sum of numbers upon total number of numbers. So here it is sum of numbers. So write all the number, that is 238 plus 345 plus 109 plus 176 and divided by 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers are there, so we'll divide by 4. Now again do the calculation here. 238, 345, 109 and 176. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 9 is 22. 22 plus 6 is 28. So 8 I will write here and 2 will be carried on. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 6 I will write and 1 will be carried on. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7, 8. 868. And it is divided by 4. Now as you can see the number is bigger. We cannot do the calculation orally here. Cancellation is not possible. So you have to do the division separately. 4 2s are 8 minus 0, 6, copy down. 4 1s are 4 minus 6 minus 4 is 2 and then 8 should be copied down. 4 7s are 28 minus 0 0. So the answer is 217. Okay, so in the answer you have to write like this. Answer is 217. This way you have to do the sum Only remember the formula and do the right calculation, so you will get the correct answer. So I hope these type of questions are clear to you all. We'll meet in the next video with few more sums. Thank you.